Pickup truck rankings shift dramatically each season, making it essential for potential buyers to stay informed about market leaders and underperformers before making a significant investment. With manufacturers constantly rolling out updates and refreshes, the landscape evolves rapidly. Let's explore the 4 worst pickup trucks to avoid and the 5 best models worth your consideration this year. Let's start with the worst pickup trucks to avoid. Before spending your hard-earned money, be aware of these 4 pickup trucks that consistently disappoint buyers. From reliability issues to value concerns, these models have earned their place on our warning list. Number 4. GMC Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra 1500's value proposition remains questionable in 2025. Its base model commands a premium over competing entries, starting at a higher price point than many rivals. While the upscale materials might justify this difference for some, traditional truck buyers seeking utility over luxury find little reason to pay the premium. The high-end Denali trim, while loaded with comfort features, seems more appropriate for urban environments than rugged work sites, essentially missing the mark for buyers requiring a genuine workhorse. The AT4 variant particularly disappoints, marketed as an off-road specialist, yet delivering more style than substance. Despite its rugged appearance, truck enthusiasts consistently note that comparable off-road capabilities can be found in competitors at significantly lower price points. Number 3. Toyota Tundra. Toyota's full-size offering continues to grapple with reliability concerns following last year's extensive recall of nearly 100,000 vehicles due to critical engine malfunctions. This represents a profound departure for a model once celebrated for its virtually indestructible 5.7-liter V8 power plant. The transition to twin-turbocharged V6 technology, intended to modernize the platform, has instead introduced a series of reliability issues that have shaken buyer confidence. Until Toyota comprehensively addresses these concerns and reestablishes its reputation for durability, the Tundra remains difficult to recommend. The interior quality further compounds these issues. Despite featuring contemporary technology and modern design elements, the cabin fails to distinguish itself from similarly priced competitors. The Tundra maintains respectable towing and hauling capabilities, but no longer sets the standard in any performance category, making it a questionable investment for discerning truck buyers. Number 2. Toyota Tacoma. Toyota's midsize offering finds itself in a precarious position despite retaining its sales leadership. The once dominant Tacoma shows clear signs of vulnerability, with rapidly declining market share and increasing customer dissatisfaction following recent redesigns. The introduction of turbocharged and hybrid powertrains, intended as upgrades, has alienated loyal customers who valued the straightforward reliability and performance characteristics of the previous V6 configuration. Substantial price increases have further eroded the Tacoma's appeal, with a starting MSRP now exceeding $37,000, representing a $5,000 increase from just 3 years ago. Buyers increasingly question whether the additional investment delivers proportional value, especially considering the model's limited evolutionary improvements. While hybrid technology shows promise in the pickup segment, the current implementation appears premature for truck buyers prioritizing consistent performance, towing capacity, and maintenance simplicity. Number 1. Jeep Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator continues to represent one of the industry's most significant disappointments since its reintroduction after Jeep's 3-decade absence from the pickup market. Initial expectations for a versatile, trail-capable truck combining Wrangler DNA with pickup utility have largely gone unfulfilled, with the model under-delivering across multiple categories. Off-road performance, anticipated to be the Gladiator's defining strength, suffers from the vehicle's extended dimensions and additional weight compared to its Wrangler counterpart. This added bulk compromises agility on technical terrain, undermining its core appeal to adventure enthusiasts. On-road behavior proves equally uninspiring, with a harsh ride quality and subpar handling characteristics that fail to justify its premium positioning. Combined with its above-average pricing, questionable build quality, and reliability concerns reported by owners, the Jeep Gladiator emerges as 2025's least advisable pickup truck purchase. Now, let's explore best pickup trucks to buy in 2025. Not all trucks are created equal. These 5 standout pickups deliver exceptional value, innovative features, and reliable performance that justify their price tags. Smart truck buyers are increasingly gravitating toward these proven performers. Number 5. Honda Ridgeline. The Honda Ridgeline continues to establish itself as the thinking person's pickup, distinguished by its unibody construction that delivers exceptional on-road comfort without sacrificing essential utility. While its non-traditional approach initially limited its appeal among conventional truck buyers, the Ridgeline has steadily gained recognition for its balance capabilities and daily livability. The expanded Trail Sport variant has significantly enhanced the model's appeal, incorporating increased ground clearance, all-terrain tires, and protective underbody shielding, addressing previous criticisms regarding off-pavement capabilities. Innovative features like the weatherproof in-bed trunk and dual-action tailgate continue to provide practical advantages unmatched by competitors, securing the Ridgeline's position among this year's top recommendations. Number 4. Chevrolet Silverado HD. Chevrolet's heavy-duty offering makes a compelling case for consideration in 2025, particularly with the introduction of the Trail Boss package that brings meaningful off-road capability to the heavy-duty segment. While the flagship ZR2 variant delivers outstanding all-terrain performance, its $72,000 starting price positions it beyond many buyers' reach. The Trail Boss configuration presents a more accessible alternative, delivering comparable capability with a $15,000 reduction in entry cost. The Silverado HD excels beyond off-road applications, particularly when equipped with the Duramax 6.6-liter turbo diesel V8, which establishes class-competitive towing and payload ratings. The premium high country trim transforms the utilitarian workhorse into a surprisingly luxurious package, featuring premium materials and advanced technology integration that rivals luxury-branded alternatives at a more approachable price point. Number 3. Nissan Frontier. Nissan's mid-size contender continues its remarkable market ascent, particularly resonating with traditionalist buyers seeking proven mechanical solutions. In a segment increasingly dominated by downsized turbocharged engines, the Frontier maintains its naturally aspirated 3.6-liter V6, producing 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque, delivering predictable, lag-free performance appreciated by working truck owners. Engineering refinements have increased maximum towing capacity to an impressive 7,150 pounds, representing a 500-pound improvement over previous iterations. Interior and exterior design updates for 2025 deliver a more contemporary aesthetic while maintaining functional simplicity, featuring intuitive controls and improved material quality. Number 2. Ram 1500. The Ram 1500 continues its trajectory as a premium full-size offering, with the introduction of the Hurricane turbocharged inline-6 engine, establishing a new performance benchmark for the platform. Generating 420 horsepower and 469 pound-feet of torque, while supporting a maximum towing capacity of 11,560 pounds. This power plant delivers an exceptional balance of capability and efficiency that positions it advantageously against V8 competitors. The Rebel trim maintains its position as the lineup's adventure-oriented variant, incorporating raised suspension, all-terrain tires, and protective underbody components for genuine off-pavement capability. Interior refinement remains a Ram hallmark, particularly in premium Laramie and limited configurations that feature material quality and craftsmanship exceeding many luxury SUVs. The vertically oriented infotainment display, initially controversial, has established itself as a segment benchmark for responsiveness and interface design, contributing significantly to the truck's overall appeal. Number 1. Ford Maverick. Ford's compact pickup secures the top recommendation for 2025, representing a fundamental market shift that continues to exceed both manufacturer and industry expectations. The Maverick's unibody design, initially dismissed by traditionalists, has proven transformative, establishing an entirely new product category that addresses evolving consumer priorities. Sales performance validates this approach, with the Maverick now outpacing all mid-size competitors and rapidly closing on the segment-leading Tacoma. This trajectory suggests it may claim the overall sales leadership position within the current calendar year, a remarkable achievement for a model initially considered experimental. Ford's insightful market positioning has delivered precisely what contemporary buyers prioritize: genuine pickup utility, combined with car-like efficiency and daily usability. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.